CIT 1121 packet tracer instructional video 291 penultimate video for module 2. In this video, we'll put together all of the things that you did in the other chapters, excuse me, the other videos with this chapter. So let's take a quick look at it, starting out with using the console connection into accessing each switch. We're going to set up host names, we're going to set up passwords, we're going to set up a banner, we're going to set up IP addresses, we're going to save everything, and then we're going to make sure it all works. So pretty much, like I said, pretty much everything you've done already into one lab with no step-by-steps. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing they want us to do is use a console connection to get into each switch. So we're going to go from reception, we're going to add a console connection from reception into 146 into the console. And I'm going to do the same thing on manager. I'm going to go manager RS-232 to console on that, and that's how we're going to manage these devices. Great. All right, so let's do a reception first for 140. You know what? No, let's not. Let's do manager first for 145. We'll do all the 145 stuff first. So desktop, terminal, okay, and we're in. Great. And to configure, we're going to name this one room 145. So config t host name room -145. All right, 1 point. Okay, good. That's great. We're going to set the password to 8UBRU for all the lines. So let's go ahead and do line con 0. Password is 8UBRU. Keyword login. Let's do the V2I lines as well. VTY 0 space 4. We'll just do the first line 0 space 4. Password 8UBRU. 8UBRU. Login. Cool. All right, that's done. Encrypt all clear text passwords. Sounds good. So that is password encryption, right? So service password encryption. There we go. And message of the day banner. That is going to be. Oh, I missed the secret password. My bad. Enable secret. C9WRE. I think that one's right. All right, let's go ahead and back to message of the day. So banner MOTD. Stay out. That should be enough. And we're going to go ahead and put the IP address on this for interface VLAN 1. So this is 145. This is our top device. So we'll do INT VLAN 1. IP address 172.15.5.35, and that's a /255/24. And we're going to no shut that guy, and that's done. There we go. That looks good. End. Get us back into privilege mode and copy, run, start. I think we got it all. I think we did it all. So verify connectivity between all devices. We'll get around to that sooner or later. So that looks done. Let's set the IP address for manager right now. So the IP address for manager is 172.16.550. So 172.16.5.50, and that is a /24 also. And that's done. So let's call that a day. Let's go ahead over to 146. So we'll go to reception, desktop. And we might as well set the IP address for this one up first. Click on there, and we'll go 172.16.560. 172.16.5.60. 255. Oops. 255. 255.0. I think I messed that up on the other one. Whoops. Go check that back. Okay, that looks good. Let's check manager again. I might have. Yeah, there's a 0 in there. That's what we wanted. 255, 255, 255. There we go. All right, back to reception. Let's go to terminal. And we're in switch 2. So switch 2, first thing, set that host name, right? So host name is going to be en and then config t. And our host name is room 146. Room -146. Good stuff. And password for all lines, line con 0. Password is 8UBRU. Login, line DTY, 0 space 4. Password is same deal, UB, 8UB, oops, 8UBRU. And login for that one. That's good stuff. And exit out of that and enable secret. Enable secret is C9WRE. And that's set. Banner, MOTD. Stay out. Seems good. Set my address for this. So this is 146. This one's going to be 172.16.540. So INT VLAN 1. Oh, I forgot to encrypt these passwords. We'll do that in just a second. INT VLAN 1. IP address is 172.16.5.40. 255.255.250, no shots. Looking pretty good. Service, password, encryption, we'd forgotten that. And we're going to go ahead and save the config. Copy, run, start. And we're close. Verify the configuration between the devices, and I'm missing 10 points. Oh no, I feel like I did everything, but I must have missed something. Let's take a look and see what it is that I must have done wrong. Let's go to check results. And in check results, there's the assessment items. I don't know if you guys have seen that before. And let's take a look at what I screwed up here. And oh boy, enable secret is wrong on room 146. And the IP address on interface 1 on 145 is also wrong. So let me go take a look at both of those things. So the IP address on 145 and the enable secret on 146. So let's go back into this, move that back where it belongs. So 145, the problem was the IP address. Let's look at that IP address and see what I did wrong. So a quick way to look at IP, there's a couple different ways to look at IP addresses. One is a show run. The other one, just to look at them, is show IP int brief. It's one of my favorite commands. Show IP interface brief. So show IP int brief, and that'll show me the address that I put on here. And what I did was I put in, oh wow, man, I put in 15, not 16. Oh no. So VLAN 1 is 172.15.535. That's supposed to be 172.16.535. Let's go ahead and fix that. So config T and int VLAN 1 IP address. Since you can only put one IP address on an interface, you don't have to do a no command. You can just update, and it will work. And that is set, and that's done. So that should have scored me a few more points. Cool. All right, we're up to 97. All right, so that's done on this side. I guess I should do a copy run start again, but whatever. Let's go over to 146, where I had made a mistake on the enable secret. So let's go to terminal and OK, and let's take a look at that password that I put in here. So I said enable secret. I said C9ERE. Oh boy, and it's supposed to be C9WRE. All right, so I did that one wrong. Let's fix that. So this time though, we're going to do a no. Okay, so config T, and we're going to do no enable secret C9ERE, which is what I had in there before. C9 error. That should have taken that. I guess it won't do a no there. So let's take a quick look at that. Enable secret. No one. Oh, we'll just do no enable secret. My bad. All right, so it's out now, and let's go ahead and add in the correct one. So we'll do enable secret, and that's supposed to be C9WRE. Enter. Exit. Copy, run, start. Okay, so a little bit rocky there at the end, but not too bad. That's the last lab for Module 2. I'll see you in Module 3.